Welcome back to another video from PBI AI Agent. In this video, we're testing the latest version, 4.0. In the latest version, we've integrated new models such as GPT 5.1, Grok 4.1 and 4, as well as Gemini 3 Pro. In this video, we're going to compare GPT-5 versus GPT 5.1. Let's start with GPT 5.1 using medium reasoning. I'm providing a dataset with 38,000 rows, and the question we're going to ask focuses on the USA. So, in the USA, which occupation has the highest total quantity? Additionally, we'll analyze the distribution of total quantity across occupations and describe any notable trends or patterns. What we're going to evaluate is speed and, of course, correctness. All right, let's go. Okay, GPT 5.1 is done, and it was very quick, about 15 seconds. Let's check the results. The answer is correct. When we filter to the USA, we see that scheduling clerk has the highest total quantity at 228, which is correct. GPT 5.1 identified the correct result and provided key insights, noting that scheduling clerk clearly stands out as the #1 occupation. It also returned the top 5 occupations. I checked the rankings and everything is correct. Scheduling clerk, human resource assistant, CPA, front office manager, and survey technician. So everything is correct and it was very fast. Good job from GPT 5.1. Now let's switch to GPT-5 and open a new chat to see how it responds to the same question. Okay, GPT-5 is done. It took a bit longer, around 1 minute, but in the end we got the same result. Scheduling clerk is #1 in the USA. It also provided a top 10 list instead of just the top 5. Let's quickly check that. Job service consultant appears as number 10. It also includes nice tables and percentage distributions. I'd say GPT-5 produced a more verbose answer, with more detail and deeper insights, as well as better visual structure. The tables make it easier to read. Compared to that, GPT 5.1 was faster and still correct, but it kept things simpler, using bold points and straightforward text without tables. Although everything in GPT 5.1's answer is correct and insightful, it's less visually appealing. It does, however, stay very concise and to the point, and it's clearly faster than GPT-5. That concludes the test. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.